It, I'm not sure.
Start from the after Thana.
Yeah. Then he used to sing and give us practice before his Sunday classes. In Sunday classes, all the senior students used to come there and perform in the Sunday session. In the sense, Ballari Ramesh sir used to come and sing, and Raghu sir used to come and sing. The classes used to begin at 9:30 and up to 1:30 in the afternoon. It used to go on like that. There, all the senior students used to play and play in their own style, led by our KNK sir. He used to play Mridangam and give us all the opportunities to play. And different styles evolved. Each student used to play in his own style, and sir used to appreciate it. He never used to tell students to play in his own style, the way he played. No. Create your own style. Play the way you want. Listen to the kriti, listen to the bhavam of the kriti and play the way you want. That is what he... Okay, shall I begin?
Yes. Start.
Then we used to play in different styles and evolve our own style. It was the creativity. It was creativity at its best in the Sunday classes. And then he used to tell us to go to weekly bhajana mandiras and practice there, so that you get used to different vocal lists, different styles of singing, and you have to perform there in the bhajana mandiras, in the Margali Masam or the Dhanur Masam. You have to play in the weekly bhajana mandiras. Second step. Then play to the Harikatha programs, so that we don't get the stage fear. After all this process, why he has taught us, we will not get the stage fear, and we get adjusted to all types of vocals before getting to the concert. And then he used to tell us to go play at concerts. This was the process. This was the steps involved. And this is why all the students have reached higher levels, not only in Mridangam playing, but also in Ghatam playing, and in Kanjari playing, and Konapur. His students have attained high standards. And next, he was fond of conducting Tyagaraja Swami Aradhanas. Why he wanted to do that? He wanted to give stage for talented artists and young artists. Provide stage for them, because they are the next generation torch bearers and the next generation artists. He wanted to give platform. He did it in 1980s itself. He was a staunch believer of the next generation, to transfer all the lessons, all the tradition to the next generation. And apart from that, he used to felicitate senior, veteran percussion artists of his time. See his, we call it Sahrudayate, Sujana Signate, his greatness. Not only, he could have performed concerts, he was in a high demand for concerts. He could have lived like that. No. He felicitated senior veteran percussion artists of his time. And Annadanam. After this, Annadanam should happen. And all the artists who come should perform on stage. Perform in the Tyagaraja. That was his very fond, he was very fond of doing that. And this happened for many, many years. And as far as Mridangam repair is concerned, he used to get Mridangam repairers from Kerala and Madurai. Sir himself maintained, being a Ghatam artist, he maintained more than 20 Mridangams. He used to get them, and the main intention was his students should not suffer, because Mridangam repairers, without a good instrument, it was difficult for us to perform. He wanted us to give us good Mridangams, good instruments. So he brought from there, and he sat in front of them and got the Mridangam sterilized and left topi and wire, everything got ready for his students. And they used to stay in my sir's house. All the accommodation, food, my sir used to give. Who will do all these things? Sunday practice, this Mridangam repairs. It was a complete package, our sir. How much to tell him? How much to, I think, show gratitude? No, there are no words to put all these things. He used to take care of us so much. He used to love us more than his children. That's the fact. It is told by his son only, Hari. He used to love his students more than me. He was telling me. And for that video, I would share an example for that, wherein sir used to play Ghatam and I used to play Mridangam. In one such concert, I have just a small 10, 20, 15 seconds I am going to just show. Sir is playing Ghatam, I am playing Mridangam, and RRK sir is on the violin in 4th school concert. Take that. See simplicity. What can one tell about his simplicity or greatness? And he has collected various lessons from each of his guru, from Kujumani sir, Bhagat Maneer sir, and Sika Yamani sir, all different styles, and he has evolved one of his own unique style, KMK Parampara. For example, Dim Tarikata Tattom Kitataka, Tom Tarikata Dim, Taddim Kitatari, Tangu Taddim, all these lessons from various gurus. He has 14 to 15 lessons. If I play that, it takes more than 10 minutes. All his lessons in one talam. And we play all those in concerts, not like and it just merges with the sahityam and the singing. Such nice lessons he has taught us, 14 to 15 lessons before going to the Mohara Muktaya. Each time. And this, I would like to tell, he has swallowed all the hardships, all the difficulties by going to different gurus, learning from them, and he has given us nectar. All the hardship has been swallowed by him, and he has given us pure nectar, like the Samudra Manthanam, wherein Shiva swallows Visham and gives nectar to Devatas. In the same way, Sir has given us nectar, and his love for affection is, we cannot tell it in words. That's all. And for the Adi Talam lessons, after 14-15 lessons, before the Mohara Muktayam, we play few lessons like Tam, Takita Tam, Takita Takadina Tam, Takita Tam, Takita Takadina Tam, Takita Tam, Takita Takadina Dim, Takadina Dim, Takadina Tam, Kirikataka Tam, Kirikataka Digutari Tam, Kirikataka Tam, Kirikataka Digutari Tam, Kirikataka Tam, Kirikataka Digutari Tam, Kada Digutari Tam, Kada Digutari Namtit Tam, Kada Namtit Tam, Kada Namtit Tam, Kada Digutari Namtit Tam, Tam Kada Namtit Tam, Kada Digutari Namtit Tam, Kada Digutari Namtit Tam, Kada Digutari Tam, Kada Digutari Tam, Kada Digutari Tam. All this one lesson has been borrowed from one guru, and he has given us the whole thing. And the next follows. See, this next lesson is only in our school. Takkade kidataka digutari kidataka tattom kidataka digutari kidataka tam kada din kada digutari kidataka nampade tam kada digutari kidataka nagatari kada digutari kidataka nagatari kada digutari kidataka digutari kidataka tam kada digutari kidataka tam kada digutari kidataka tam. In our school only, and then begins the Mohara. Dit tam kada digutari kidataka nam dit tam kada digutari kidataka dit tam kada digutari kidataka din that dit. Then follows the Mohara and the Muktayas. All this has been taken from different schools. And he has made a complete package for us and given us. We are so blessed to have such a guru. And his concerts I have listened to hundreds of concerts of Sir because I used to put tambura for all my P. Bhuneshwari Mama's concerts. I used to put tambura. And Subbu Mama on the Mridangam and K.N.K. Sir on the Ghattam. Hundreds of concerts I listened to. And the special thing about my sir is he never overtook Mridangam artist. He was always following him subduedly, and he was filling the gaps. He was filling the gaps when main artist was playing or giving a pause. He was filling the gaps so nicely and attractively, like adding pep to the concert. And then one specialty of his is he used to improvise on stage what in the Taniyavartanam what the Mridangam artist used to play. Mridangam artist used to play some Abhiprayam. Then Sir used to improvise on the same Abhiprayam and play a different one on stage, creating there itself within no minutes, within no time. How is it possible? God only knows. That's a blessing to him. And that's what he used to tell us. Don't go completely prepared for a concert. Because you never know what the main artist sings and for what he gives studying. No. And one more thing he used to tell. Taniyavartanam you play for 10 minutes, 15 minutes or 20 minutes. In a 4 hours concert you may play for about half an hour. But the major part is following. Other 3.5 hours or 3 hours will be following the main artist. So following is equally important more important to enhance the beauty of the concert. Never overtake the main artist by playing Mridangam, he used to tell us. This is just his experiences, and that's what he has taught us. That's how he has taught us. And for example, in Taniyavartanam when he was playing, for example, in a Tishnade, I'll tell you one of his compositions. He used to never play takkita for a Tishnade. He used to never play that. He used to play ta taka dim na taka dim dim ta ta kita na kadina ta dim taka dim dim ta taka dim taka dim ta taka dim ta taka dim ta taka dim ta dim taka dim ta. This is how he used to play. He used to never play dim takita no, very less. He used to use this because that is Maniera's style. And he used to play all the lessons, few lessons, like as I told you, Avatanam Lekasharams. For Rupaktalam, the same Aditalam lessons can be played in 3 avatanas, like Takata dimita dim, 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 Takata dimita dim. He used to play like this. And if I've seen, if a main artist, if a Mridangam artist in Taniyavartanam plays in, for example, Kannada, I'm just Tishnade also. He used to play like dim tadim 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 dim tadim takadim tadim dim tadim dim nakudim tadim dim nakudim takadim dim nakudim. I'll tell you this why, because we never know when he used to begin the chorways, and that chorway used to come exactly the Talam and night. You never know when he began the chorway because he used to blend it like that. His style was like that. Dim, tadim dim nakudim takadim dim nakudim tadim 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 dim nakudim. When they began the chorway, nobody knows. But so beautifully blended. And I have seen in one particular concert, Mridangam is played in Kannada in one particular concert. Taka 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 dim dim 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 taka dim dim, and he played a chorway and finished it off. Next, Sir's turn. Tadim taka dim tadim tadim taka dim tadim taka dim taka dim tadim dim kaya taka dim tadim taka dim tadim taka dim dim 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 taka dim taka dim tadim taka dim taka dim taka dim dim. He didn't stop there. Tadim taka dim tadim tadim taka dim tadim tadim taka dim tadim tadim taka dim dim tadim taka dim tadim tadimi takadimi tadimi tadimi takadimi tadimi tadimi takadimi dim tadimi takadimi tadimi tadimi takadimi dim tadimi bimi tadimi tadimi takadimi dim takita takadimi dim takadimi dim takadimi dim takadimi dim takita dim takadimi takadimi. How? Doing it. How? What will be his mental capacity? Will he stop there? No. Then tadimi takadimi tadimi tadimi takadimi tadimi tadimi takadimi tadimi tadimi takadimi dim takita takadimi dim takadimi dim takadimi dim takadimi dim takita dim takadimi dimi tadimi tadimi takadimi tadimi tadimi takadimi tadimi tadimi takadimi tadimi tadimi takadimi dim takita takadimi dim takadimi dim takadimi dim takadimi dim takadimi dim takadimi tadim tadim dim na tadim dim na tadim dim na tanda. Improvisation on what? The rhythm is good. That's it. And then I would like to speak about the Guru Vandana Trust that began 10-11 years back. Sir was in his late 80s, 83, 84 years. We just got a thought that we have to show our pranams or our devotion towards Sir and do Guru Vandana. Then we got a thought of doing Guru Vandana, but we decided doing it also. But how? We were blank. Then we thought about how to bring in the students, because they were spread all over across Bangalore and different across Karnataka. All the students were spread over. How to bring them together? Then what to do, whom to call as chief guest. All the issues began. Then how to conduct it, and when we do it, we should do it according to stature of a sir. We should enhance his stature. We should try to do that. That was our intention. Initially, it was a challenging task how to conduct the program. Then we went about students, spoke to them, and they happily agreed. And we became united. All the friends from different parts came together. It was a show of unity among us. Sir, that is how he brought us. And the funds. How to raise funds for such a big function? How to do it? We just approached. Just put a word to all the students. We donate so much, and then the funds from all the artists also came and poured in. The function was a grand success. We were really blessed to have performed the Guru Vandana Trust, Guru Vandana program, and the Pada Puja. We conducted Pada Puja for him and Guru Mata. It was a real emotional moment for me that day. And to come to tell about a few things about my sir, that's it. And to conclude this, he was a karma yogi. He never expected anything. He humbly accepted whatever was offered to him as a remuneration from the main artist. He never complained. He never demanded. And in all the journeys also, he never created a fuss. Wherever he was allotted a room or something, he was adjusting to all the circumstances, and a friendly nature. It was just great. So nice was his intimacy with all the co-artists and the main artists. He never expected fees from anyone. He has taught hundreds of students without fees, without collecting fees, freely. And when they come to the home for classes, he used to give them coffee, milk, breakfast, feed them, and then teach them, send them home. No fees. And if the student is bright enough, and if the student wishes to come for classes every alternate day or every day, even then he used to tell no, Come, this is a Sagaram, this is a Samudram. Take how much you want. And it is not per class fees. Per class you have to pay. No, nothing like that. Daily come, learn and go. It's up to you how much you take it from me. It's for you. And he used to do his duty without any expectations. And I would like to tell that Karmanya Vadikaraste Mahapalishu Kadachana. Just do your karma. Just do your karma. Just do your duty. And then leave the result to God. He will look after you. That's what happened in the service. And for all these things, I have learned Mridangam only from my Guru K.N.K. sir. And I couldn't complete learning from him because he was an ocean. I could take how much I could, that's it. He taught me everything, but I could take how much my capacity was. That's it. And I strongly believe that he is very much here in all his students, blessing all his students and his family members. He is always there with his teachings, with his way of life. He is living even today and is blessing us. And I strongly believe in that. And before concluding, I would like to, Sukani Madam has told me to play a little play a show. And she has requested me to play the Chaturashra Tishram, which is the special of our guru, our school. In the sense, Chaturashra Tishram means, like, I would demonstrate in Drupal Talam. We used to play it in Adi Talam also, but to make simpler and easier, I will demonstrate in Drupal Talam. Takita tadim, takita tadim, dim, 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 dim. Dim, 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 tataka dim, 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 tataka dim, 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 taka dim, 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 tataka dim, dim, tataka dim, 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 tataka dim, dim, taka dim, tataka dim, dim, tataka dim, tataka dim, 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 ta, dim, dim, na, tata dim, dim, na, tarikita dim, dim, na. Nam di tum tum tak dim na nam di dim na tak dim dim tak dim na nam di tum tum tak dim na tak. What happened here? For every 3 syllables, that is takita, I am playing 4 syllables. That is takita 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 takadina 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 takadina. This is how it goes. Takita, 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 ta, dim, 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 ta, 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 dim, 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 ta, ta, dim, dim, na, ta, dim, dim, na, dim. We used to play this in Adi Talams. Like, dim, ta, dim, ta, ta, dim, 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 ta, dim, ta, dim, dim, ta, dim, ta, dim, 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 ta, ta, dim, 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 ta, ta, dim, 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 ta. Ta dim 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 ta 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 dim 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 kita ta dim 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 kita ta ta kada dim 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 kita ta kada dim ta kita dim ta kada dim ta dim. Like this we used to continue playing. I would play this same thing in Rupa Talam because Talam, I want to see the Talam. Adi Talam, you can get the Matres in Adi Talam. So I would play it in Rupa Talam. I will tell it in colloquial also. See, dim, dim, dim. Ta dim, 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 ta 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 dim, 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 ta ta dim, dim, ta ka dim, dim, na ta re dim, dim, na dim, ta ga dim, ta dim, na ta ka dim, dim, na ta re dim, dim, na ka ta dim, ta dim, dim, na ta ka dim, dim, na ta dim, ta dim, ta dim, ta ka dim, ta dim, ta dim. Tadim, 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 tatakadim, tadim, 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 tadigina to tadim, tadigina to tadim, tadigina to tadigina to tadigina to digim, tadigina to tadigina to tadigina to digim, tadigina to tadigina to tadigina to ta. This is how it used to come. And do improvisations on this. Play your creativity, your kalpanas. Play. I would like to conclude here because the time given has also been exceeded. I sincerely apologize. But many more things of my Guruji is being I have to tell, but I take this opportunity to thank Sukanya Madam Ji and for having given this opportunity to share my views about my great Guruji on this auspicious day of his birthday, 94th birthday, and I would like to thank the Sunadam Trust and all the viewers for having been tolerating me all this time. Because as I told, I am not a guru orator. Kindly treat this as a Hamsak Shir and take all the good and leave away the unwanted things. And I convey my prostrate in front of my Guruji and my maternal uncle P. Bhuneshwarya sir, P. Bhuneshwarya Mama, and conclude this program. Thank you all for viewing this and blessing me. Thank you so much.